everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James, and today we'll be playing a bit of Train Simulator because, well, I wanted to do something in the background, and it's somewhat related to what I want to talk about today because I want to do some more bits of content for the channel, and like I said, Train Simulator is part of that content. So let me just get started. Hopefully you can't hear my fan because it's warm and I don't want to melt to death. So let's turn the brake off. Put the reverser forward and let's get started. So let's go full on the regulator to get us off. If you're wondering what we're driving, we are driving a lovely LBSCR E4 in Southern Olive, as always, with a matching liveried rake of SECR birdcage coaches. Don't know what length they are. They may be 60 footers, I'm not too sure. Either way, it looks nice and I'm quite happy with it. So let us get on our way. So let me just start speeding up a little bit. Put that to 37, that'll do. But yeah, on about what I want to do with the channel. So it's a slight small channel update. Well, first of all, I'm continuing on with Gosport, all my layouts and all that other stuff. I do want to do more of them, and as everyone knows, I'll be probably starting even more layouts. So yeah, that'll be continuing. I'll be continuing with my 3D printing. I haven't got any of 3D printed stuff at the moment, but here is a 3D printed Star Trek ship. So yes. So yeah, I'll be doing some more 3D printed stuff as always. And also kit building and making all that lot. But yeah, I was thinking for extra little things to put on Friday episodes, probably, well, playing some more Train Simulator as we're doing now. So if you'd like to see that, do let me know, because I do like playing games and I keep forgetting to play some Train Simulator really. So I've been downloading a lot of engines and I never get round to playing them all. So yeah, it's a very nice engine. I do have to make one of these at some point. Very nice engine. But so yeah, I've been trying to get back into Train Simulator. That'll be for Fridays as well. I do have some other train-based games which I've either wishlisted on Steam or I've actually got anyway. So but one of my favourite games, in fact my favourite game, is Umpin TTD, or Umpin Transport Tycoon Deluxe, where you basically run your own transport company. So that's trains, planes, buses and vehicles and stuff like that, and also ships. So so yeah, I would like to play that on the channel as well. Again, it'll be either episodic or I do want to get into doing streaming. The only problem is I have heard that it does mess up your YouTube algorithm thingies. I have no idea what it's on about. I just make videos of trains, but yeah, if you're interested in watching me play train-based games, do let me know in the comments. So like I said, do you want to see more of Train Simulator? Do you want to see me make my own transport company in Transport Tycoon Deluxe? Well, Open Transport Tycoon Deluxe, sorry. You go a bit faster. Go on faster. I may not be able to, but also this is on the modern Portsmouth map. We're going between Havant and Portsmouth Harbour. So I did try to load up the lines of lines of Hampshire map, but that well, it loaded, then promptly crashed after I got on my way. Apparently it's too big, and my computer wasn't happy with it, but it probably helps that I would close other programs down in the background, free up some memory, but oh well. But yeah, it's just something extra to put onto the channel, really. More content of me playing some train games and seeing what else people may like me to do. Really, I do have some more ideas for more little mini layouts to do, but I'm keeping them secret, so I'm not letting you lot know. But I will give a hint. It is mixed in with other genres, so that's the only hint I'm giving. So a nice whistle. If people are wondering where you can get this engine from, by the way, for Train Simulator, if anybody in the audience has got the game, you can get it from Railworks. Very nice company. That's where I got my A12 from, and a couple of other engines as well. It's a very nicely made model. So I do want to make this in N-gauge as well. I think I can make it with a what is it? Something a bit like my my J class. Use a 4MT chassis or something like that. Probably not quite 4MT chassis, 3MT chassis, but we'll see. It's probably as fast as I can go. So we've still got about 10 more minutes. But yeah, there's a load of scenarios in Train Simulator which I can get on with. I may need to break them up into several episodes though, depending on how long. Thing is, do you really want to watch me play a Train Simulator video for about an hour? I know streaming it will work, but we'll have to have a see. And would you like to see me streaming? It won't be streaming the layouts just yet because I have no cameras over there whatsoever. Just make sure you can see what I'm doing. Yes, you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I have no cameras over there whatsoever, and I can't get one over there just yet. So it'll be basically watching me play train games or having a natter with you lot in the audience. Or me building something. Oh, that's another thing I was just thinking of. Non-train related models, we'd like to see me make Airfix models and things like that, because Airfix is made by Pompey and it's somewhat close enough. Well, I say close enough, but you know what I mean. Because I do like my models in general, because I have got a 2-scale Sea Harrier here, which I need to finish off, which I haven't painted. So we'd like to see me make things like that, really. How far are we? Where is the... that's not what I want. That's the map. Where are we? There we are. Coming up to Fratton now. Alright, Max going to slow down. So I'm slowing down a little bit. We are coming up to a 40-mile-an-hour zone. That seems about stable, so we'll keep with that. Let's have a look on the inside. What I would like to do is get a VR headset and play with all these things, but I've only heard that you can get a mod to play Train Simulator in that way, but I don't know how well it works, so we'll have to have a see of that. If not, I do know there are some train maps in VR chat, which I've been playing around with as well. So we need to slow down a bit more. Cut on the brake. You on? There we go. Actually, I'll keep it at 18. Maybe a bit faster. Right. Well, we've already went past Fratton and we're coming up to Portsmouth and Southsea. But yeah, it's just something to think about, really. I do want to hear everybody's feedback. Do you want to, like I said, do you want to see me playing games, build non-train models? Do you want to see me do some streaming? I said I know you lot would like to. Let's coast through and stick a bit of braking on. Maybe a bit too much, but oh well. Yeah, I'm not a particularly good driver. I can't drive in real life, so it doesn't surprise me, but I can't drive a train properly. At least I can drive a train better than I could probably drive a car. Right. Let's just coast our way through. That's 6%. Nearly there. We'll keep this speed. Nice map. Need to learn the control so I can get a screenshot of this at some point. So let me just see. And let's see. There we go. See if that works. I have to find out where them screenshots are now, but no, 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 no. I won't do that. I don't want to do that. I want to put the brake on. I think. Howdy. Going to platform 2. And that's platform 2. Let's see. Never remember where the controls are for this. There we go. Pop it on max. Yeah, that's pretty much it, really. Yeah, that's a nice little drive. Yeah, I'll get a picture of that as well. There we go. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. So yeah, if you do want to see me play more games like Train Simulator and hopefully drive a bit better, do let me know. And the same with if you want to see me play other train games and also make other models, really. So yeah, just extra little things, really. So yeah, if you do like the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But that's it from me, because I'm going to go and find an ice cream because it's melting and I'm hot. These lights don't help. So, yeah, take care now. Bye-bye. Where's the button? There it is. Bye-bye now.